foodies and English learners, have you ever bitten into a bread and thought, ew, that tastes disgusting, but what do I call it? Do I call it stale? Do I call it rotten? Do I call it spoiled? Well, welcome to my channel. My name is Tushnaa and today we will check your English vocabulary when it comes to food. So let's see how you would define this piece of bread and other items. So we will play a quick quiz where I will give you the scenario of what the food is like and you will tell me what would you call it. Although I will give you the answer, you don't need to worry about that. So are you ready to begin? Let's go. The first one I have for you is something that is freshly made and it's not very old. What do you call it? It's called fresh. Number 2, it is usually a bread or snack and it's no longer fresh. What would you call it? It's called stale. Stale. The third one, usually fruit, vegetables or meat. They get spoiled or they get decayed. What would you call it? It's called rotten. Rotten. Milk or yogurt goes bad. What would you call it? You call it sour. Sour. Something that is no longer safe to eat. What would you call it? It's called spoiled. Spoiled. Something that is covered with mold. What would you call it? It's called moldy. Moldy. So that's all for today, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Again, I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. See you.